Hi, this is Joe from powerofattorneyform.com, and today we're going to go over the four main power of attorney forms in the state of Delaware. Now, if you don't know what power of attorney is, it's as simple as this. It's a legal document that allows someone else to act for you for financial or medical decision making. So let's get started. All the way to the left is the durable power of attorney form, and this is the most common and most popular power of attorney form. Now, this form allows you to select someone else to act for you for any and all financial powers legal in the state of Delaware. But what makes this form so popular is that if you become in the state where you are not able to think for yourself anymore, and with all the baby boomers getting older, this is becoming more and more apparent, whether it be because of dementia or Alzheimer's or whatever the case may be, this form stays valid. So this is a very popular form for that reason, and because of that, this is only for financial powers, and oftentimes you'll want to have the form directly to the right of it, the medical power of attorney form as well. The medical power of attorney form is pretty self-explanatory. It allows you to choose somebody else for all healthcare decision-making matters, and this is in reference to treatment decisions, medical facility decisions, and only if instructed by the principal, the right to end medical treatment if they are in a vegetative state with no point of return. So, just to recap, the durable is for financial, medical, healthcare, and going to our right, we are going to be taking a look at the general power of attorney form. Now, you probably thought, well, geez, how can these be different? But the general power of attorney form is actually just like the durable. It's the same exact form, except this form becomes void if the principal becomes incapacitated. So you're probably saying to yourself, well, why would somebody want this form then? But this is a very useful form if, say, you have a business partner and the both of you are, one's out of town all the time and the other one is doing something else. And oftentimes business partners will have this between each other so that one can always cover for the other. You'll see this, a lot of people will give general power of attorney to their actual attorney so that they can cover for them. Say if there's some sort of matter where they want their attorney to represent them, uh, this is oftentimes used. And also it's used with accountants if you want your accountant to take care of all your financial obligations for a company that you run. So this general power of attorney form is still used a lot, not as much as durable, but still a very popular form. And now that we get to the limited power of attorney form, and this is just as useful as the general, despite its name. The limited power of attorney form is great because it allows you to select someone to make very specific power of attorney decisions. And examples of that is, say if you're a real estate agent and you're just never in your office, you're always out on showings. This is a great form because you can give this to the person that is always at getting all the mail at your office. If you ever get any certified mail, they can sign on your behalf. Or if you just need someone to go make a deposit or withdrawal for you or pick up a car, what you do is you just write in exactly what you want them to do. And you also have the option, if you want, of the form canceling once the objective has been completed, or if you want them to have a number of things that they can do, you can write it in there. So it's a very good form if, not that you don't trust the person, but you just want them only handling a few things. So to make this form valid, you need to have, any one of these forms signed by a notary, which means that you need to go into a branch bank, which every branch bank in the United States has a notary on staff. And all you have to do is just walk in there, tell them that you need this form notarized. They'll know exactly what you're talking about. And then you go and have it notarized. If you have an account, they'll usually do it for free. And I know Bank of America, if you don't have an account, charges around $8 to $10. So you don't need to file this form with a government agency. All you need to do is just make sure that you have this on you. If you have a medical power of attorney form, you may want to give one to your primary care physician so that if something should happen to you, they know who can speak for you. And that's it. These are the main power of attorney forms for Delaware.